Bro, let me ask you something. How long are you gonna wait? Still crying? Still replaying the memories in your head? Still trying to figure out what went wrong? You keep thinking, why did she choose someone else over me? But tell me, when was the last time someone actually regretted losing you? Just because you sat there crying? When was the last time they came back? Because you kept waiting? Probably never, because the harsh truth is, people don't regret losing something if they think they can replace it anytime. She's not confused. She's not afraid of commitment. She just didn't choose you, not because you weren't good enough, but because you were too available. You were patient. You were understanding. You forgave her. You waited. You thought, if I just love harder, she'll realize I'm the one. But instead, she walked away, like you never meant anything. 1. She was never afraid of commitment. She was just never afraid of losing you. Ever seen a couple who dated for years, but when it was time to commit, one of them said, I'm not ready. I just need time. I have things to figure out. So the other person waits. They trust. They stay patient, only to watch them get engaged to someone new within a few months. Why? Because that new person never gave them a chance to take them for granted. People don't commit because they've known you the longest. They commit because they're afraid of losing you. And the harsh truth, she never feared losing you because deep down, she thought, he'll always be there. 2. Stop making her feel special in your head. You still think she's different. You still think she's special. You're still hoping that if you wait long enough, if you just prove your love, if you just hold on a little longer, she'll come back. But wake up, bro. She's not special. You just made her special in your head. She's not thinking about you. She's not crying over you. She's not sitting there waiting. She moved on, and so should you. 3. She didn't replace you because he's better. She replaced you because he's new. Listen. She didn't leave you because the new guy is better. She left because he's fresh. He's exciting. New things feel better. Not because they're actually better, but because they're different. But here's the thing. Newness wears off fast. Ever notice how when you get a new phone, it feels amazing? Then a few months later, it's just a phone. That's exactly what's happening in her new relationship. Right now, it's fun. It's exciting. It's all effort and romance. But give it time. Her old habits, still there. Her emotional baggage, still there. Her tendency to take people for granted, still there. And one day, her new guy will experience exactly what you did, because she didn't suddenly become this perfect, committed person overnight. She's just repeating the same cycle with someone new. And when reality hits, she'll regret losing you. 4. She's not missing you. She's missing the power she had over you. She doesn't miss you. She misses the control she had over you. She misses the validation. She misses knowing that you were always there. And as long as she thinks you still are, she'll never feel the loss. She'll never regret losing you. So stop checking her profile. Stop waiting for karma. Stop thinking about her next move. Because while she's living her life, you're still stuck, and that needs to change. 5. Silence is your power move. If you keep looking for closure, sending one last message, trying to remind her of your worth, you lose. Because she already knows your worth. She just never thought she'd actually lose you. And every time you reach out, you prove she was right. You prove she still has power over you. And as long as she feels that, she'll never regret walking away. So disappear. Not just for a few days, not just to test her. For real. No texts, no checking her stories, no responding to her breadcrumbs. Because if you give her a way back in, she'll never truly feel your absence, and she'll never regret losing you. 6. When she realizes it's too late. There will come a moment, weeks, months, maybe even years from now, where she suddenly realizes, wait, I actually lost him. And that's when she panics. She'll stalk your profile. She'll ask mutual friends about you. She'll find little excuses to pop back into your life. But by the time she realizes what she lost, you won't care anymore because you'll be too busy winning. Bro, this was never about getting her back. It was about getting yourself back. And the moment you stop waiting, stop chasing, stop hoping, that's when everything changes. So move on. Glow up. Focus on yourself so hard that when she finally looks back, you're so far ahead, she can't even reach you. Drop a comment below. I know my worth. And if this hit home for you, smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay strong. Stay winning.